Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: strong bees, space, and enough resources. Start farming high-value fields immediately, prioritizing clover and sap fields for fast pollen. Once done, activate all boosts and use a dedicated pollen route so you don't waste time running back. Make sure to gather those 50 honey tokens while you farm, because they unlock the gateway. You must also check that your hive has room for a new bee slot before moving to the next stage. Next, you trigger the digital encounter by entering the cyber field during the portal spawn window. Timing matters. Once you're there, spend one digital key or the required honey tokens to open the portal and begin the waves. You'll need to tank hits and clear enemy swarms, focus on AoE pollen collectors and a defender bee. As you clear waves, loot the digital egg when it drops. Make sure you pick it up immediately because it can despawn. After securing the egg, return to your hive. Finally, you place the digital egg in the incubator and activate 3 hatch boosts to reduce time. This improves success odds. While it hatches, avoid logging out or switching servers to prevent sync glitches. Once the timer finishes, claim the digital bee immediately and slot it into your hive. If something goes wrong, check inventory space and server status first. If the egg disappears, re-enter the cyber field and retry the portal spawn. Keeping spare honey tokens lets you repeat attempts quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.